I am ready to put on a show.
Oh, what a beautiful child. Come in. I have a gift for you. That's right. Come a little. Here we go! Whoa! Amazing!
Go, go, go!
Hello.
Liz, I think you're confused, boy.
Do not count on me. I don't want to go back to that van in a million years.
Nani?
We're in trouble now.
Hey, what happened?
Hello. Good morning. Good morning. We talked the whole night through. Good morning. Good morning to you. I sound like a 14-year-old, but my boobs are huge.
Yes. In the end, I managed to jump at one of the stops. Are you all right?
Dori, 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 dori.
Okay.
Oh, yes! Yay!
Okay, let's go!
You're a great team. Here we go!
Go, go, go!
Bye, have a great time. Yeah, let's go.
Wow! Congratulations!
Whoa! Amazing!
Okay.
Let's go!
Go, go, go!
I have $30,000 in credit card debt. When they call, I tell them I can't pay it back yet. Credit card debt.
Bye-bye.
Go, go, go!
Uh-oh.
Wow!
Oh, yes!
Okay, let's go!
Bye.
Here we go!
I am ready to put on a show! Wow! Congratulations!
Hey, what happened?
I sound like a 14-year-old, but my boobs are huge! 焼きは愛情おいしくよ Hello! Good morning, good morning We talked the whole night through Good morning, good morning to you
Thank you. Come again.
My God, are you still?
Okay, let's go!
Okay.
Okay! Oh, yes!
Go, go, go!
Going to kids today. I'm looking for the chubby ones. I'm going to find some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun. Bye bye.
Okay. Good job!
Let's go, let's go, let's go! The world would be such a better place without all of those minorities. Yeah.
Mario's gonna do something illegal.
Bye.
Okay.
Amazing!
Here I go!
I have $30,000 in credit card debt. When they call, I tell them I can't pay it back yet. Credit card debt.
Bye, have a great time.
Yeah, boy.
Ta-da!
Wow! Congratulations!
I like that. Amazing!
Bror, niemand boeit! Oh, yeah. You tell me, sweet little boy.
Hey, what happened?
Uh-oh.
Jay, is that you? What happened? How did Rod capture Liz?
Nicer, nicer.
You're a great team.
Oh, yeah.
Going to find me some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
I have $30,000 in credit card debt. When they call, I tell them I can't pay it back yet. Credit card debt.
Oh, what a beautiful child. Come here. I have a gift for you. That's right. Come.
Aha!
Oh, hello, chubby boy.
Okay, let's go! Yummy, yummy in my tummy.
You're a great team.
Nicer, nicer. Oh, yeah.
Bye.
Okay, let's go!
Yes, you. I know you have Liz, and I want you to release her.
Okay, okay.
Right.
Get in here, you little...
Too easy. Piece of cake.
Nicer, nicer.
I have $30,000 in credit card debt.
Bye, have a great time.
Hello!
Aha!
I am ready to put on a show!
Hooray! Hooray!
Sugoi!
Here I go!
I sound like a 14-year-old, but my boobs are huge! I am ready to put on a show!
Bruh.
Hello!
Come on. Mario's gonna do something illegal.
Go, go, go!
Oh my god! What is that?
Oh, my God!
Say what?
Bruh.
Here we go. Yes.
Nice, nice.
Oh! Whoa! Sugoi!
I'm going to kill some kids today. Looking for the chubby ones. I'm going to find some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Oh, here I go! Whoa, amazing! Here we go! Woohoo!
Evacuate the building. Let's go.
Bye, have a great time.
Ohayou
Whoa, amazing! Here we go!
We're in trouble now. I sound like a 14-year-old, but my boobs are huge. Oh no. Hello.
Good morning. We talked the whole night through. Good morning to you.
I am ready to put on a show.
Go, go, go!
Don't ask questions you aren't prepared.
Okay.
Wow, congratulations.
Are you still talking?
Okay.
2.
Good job. Amazing!
Let's go, let's go, let's go!
I'm going to kill some kids today. I'm looking for the chubby ones. I'm going to find me some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Bye bye.
We're in trouble now. Okay.
Whoa, amazing!
Are you all right?
Okay.
9.
Good job!
Wow, congratulations! Oh yes!
Here I go!
料理は愛情美味しく料理してやるぜいっぱい美味しくしてやるぜバイバイ
Oh, wow.
2.
Oh no!
My God, are you still?
Bye.
Okay, let's go! Bye, have a great time. Oh, hello! Whoa, amazing!
Roar, niemand boeit!
It's crazy. What are you talking about? Leave me alone. Haha, you're a great team.
Going to find some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Nice, nice!
Wow, congratulations!
Hey, what happened?
I'm not afraid of that stupid ice cream maker. How did you not tell me that Rod and my sister? We're not friends anymore? Yes, you! I know you have Liz. I want you to release her. Haha, you're a great team.
Uh-oh.
Come on! I got an idea!
Wow! Congratulations!
Nice, nice.
Too easy. Piece of cake.
I like that.
Ta-da!
Let's go, let's go.
Goody, he's here.
Yeah!
Okay, let's go.
Stupid boy! You have the guts to face me, huh? But you're
Bye.
not
Here I go!
Come on, step it up.
I am ready to put on a show.
Here I
Whoa, amazing!
My God, are you still talking?
go! Don't ask questions you aren't prepared to handle the answer to.
Oh no! Hey!
We talked the whole night through. Good morning to you.
I sound like a 14-year-old, but my boobs are huge! We're in trouble now.
Wow.
Sunshine, good morning! Ja, det som ligger till reda till är att man kan inte göra sådär. Ja, och man kan inte vara... Ja, man vet inte vilket som är meddelandet. Okej!
Go, go, go!
愛情おいしく料理してやるぜいっぱいおいしくしてやるぜ Oh yes! Bye bye! Oh, det skulle vara en liten vasch. Ja, det som gick du vet. Okej.
Good job.
Here we go!
Ja, och man kan inte vara... Ja, man vet inte vilket... Wow! Congratulations!
Okay, let's go.
Go, go, go!
Going to get some kids today. I'm looking for the chump clubby ones. I'm going to find me some chubby kids and we're gonna make some money.
Bye.
Okay.
Good job! Amazing! Ja, man vet inte vilket som är meddelandet.
Let's go, let's go, let's go!
I have $30,000 in credit card debt. When they call, I tell them I can't pay it back yet. Credit card debt. Woohoo!
Bye, have a great time.
Hello, cutie pie.
Okay.
Whoa, amazing!
Here we go! Yahoo!
Huh?
Oh, det skulle vara en liten vasch.
Oh, hello.
Here I go!
Oh, det skulle vara en liten vasch.
Okay.
Ta-da! Yahoo!
Bye.
Let's go, let's go.
Going to find some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Bye bye. Woohoo! Oh yes!
Goodbye.
Yay! Oh no! Wow! Congratulations!
Bye, have a great time. Okay, let's go!
Woohoo! Bye-bye! Dori 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 dori.
Whoa, amazing! Hey, what happened?
Good morning, good morning. We talked the whole night through. Good morning to you.
Oh, hello.
I'm not afraid of that stupid ice cream maker. How did you not tell me that Rod had my sister?
We're in trouble now.
Hello. Do not count on me. I don't want to go back to that van in a million years. Yes. In the end, I managed to jump at one of the stops.
I got an idea.
Okay, let's go!
Go, go, go!
Bye-bye.
You're a great team.
Oh no. Dori 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 dori. Okay.
Yeah, let's go.
I am ready to put on a show.
Let's go! The world would be such a better place without all of those minorities. Yeah!
Oh, what a beautiful shot. Come here.
Bye.
Here we go!
Guys have $30,000 in credit cards yet? When they call, I tell them I can't pay it back yet. Credit cards yet?
Bye, have a great time.
We're in trouble now.
Oh, hello. Going to find me some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Here we go!
Thanks, Pally.
Come on!
Okay, okay.
Here I go! Here we go!
Woohoo!
Go, go, go!
Derpity derp 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 derp.
Bye, have a great time.
Take a shot, nerd.
You gotta be kidding me.
Where'd he go?
Let's go!
Nice, nice. Here we go!
Oh no.
Going to find some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Get in here, you little bastard.
Great! Woohoo!
Come on, step it up!
Congratulations!
Okay! Going to kill some kids today. I'm looking for the chump puppy one. Going to find some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.